The science behind plaster. What really happens when you add water to plaster? Plaster is mainly made of calcium sulfate hemihydrate. In its dry form, it's a stable powder that can be stored for years. The moment water is added, the hemihydrate starts to dissolve. This releases calcium ions and sulfate ions into the water, creating a saturated solution. As the concentration of these ions increases, the solution becomes unstable. The ions begin to recombine, but this time they form a different mineral called calcium sulfate dihydrate, also known as gypsum. Millions of tiny needle-shaped gypsum crystals start growing in every direction. As these crystals become longer, they interlock with one another, creating a strong three-dimensional network. This crystal network is what transforms the soft paste into a hard, solid material. So plaster doesn't harden because the water simply evaporates. It hardens because an entirely new crystal structure is being formed. During this hydration reaction, energy is released as heat. That's why freshly mixed plaster often feels warm while it's setting. The chemical reaction can be written like this. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate plus water becomes calcium sulfate dihydrate plus heat. So every time you mix plaster with water, you're not just making a paste. You're creating millions of microscopic crystals that lock together into a solid, durable structure. Follow us for part 2.